If you want to set up an alarm clock on Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to go to the clock app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. So go ahead and open it, and you should be able to find the alarm option. And in this case, you can find example alarms that are pre-made for you, so you can use them if you want to by tapping on the switchers. You can tap on these alarms in order to find customization options. And if you want to, you can press this plus button over here in order to create your own alarm clock. So you can choose when the alarm clock should go off and then press OK. And there we go. You can also make it repeatable in selected days of the week. You can also schedule the alarm over here so it can go off only at a selected date. And as you can see, we can find some other options as well. We also have the delete button as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.